Welcome everyone, I'm N.R.T, and on today's video we'll be doing an unboxing video from eparts.shop.com, which sells tractor parts. I've been working on my Lincoln 225 arc generator welder. As you see over there, the exhaust system is shit. The muffler rotted out on it. It's louder than heck. It's annoying. So I reached out to them and see if they wanted to send me some mufflers for it, and they said sure. So they sent me some mufflers for it. We're going to unbox them and we're going to review them, and we're going to see how we are going to build this twin exhaust system with these mufflers. I did get 3 of them because I'm going to put one like this, one like that, and 2 like that with rain caps eventually. Here they are. That's what they look like. So I am gonna have to cut this piece off, cut that piece off, cut these brackets off, because I am gonna modify them. I'm gonna put that like right there, and then off of that so that I am going to put that on the edge right there, just like that, on each side, and basically how it's going to be. I think they're just the right size, not too big and not too small. I was afraid they're going to be too big. And I was afraid they might be too small. We'll have to go see. Gave me some business cards, so you can reach them right there. So I'll put a link in the comments and the description to these mufflers and to the website. Go check them out. Go tell them N.R.T sent you, and we'll go pull one of these over to the welder and see if it's going to work as I say it will. I'm going to go ahead and just lay these exhaust pipes in there. So it's basically, I mean, we don't have any room to spare. So it'll be a tight fit. But gotta cut the ends, gotta drill some holes in the end, and clean all this up, get ready to weld it all together. And then from there, gonna do something like this. So yeah. So I want to thank everyone for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next one.